gems. Boring. Not really. Gems are all about physics and chemistry. Really? They are? Let's go! Yes! You might think of gems as just pretty things you can look at, but it involves fun physics and chemistry.
So let's get to it. Before a gemstone is fashioned by a lapidary, which just means gem carver, it's found in its natural state.
Over here, you can see gems in its original form, and once it is carved in shine.
Let's take a random gem, say diamond.
Before diamonds looked like this, they looked like this.
Diamonds are basically one giant molecule.
Molecule is just a group of atoms. Can you guess the chemical formula for a diamond?
Diamond is just carbon.
Correct. Hey, that reminds me. Did you know that Uranus actually rains diamonds?
That is true. The planet Uranus has a lot of gas called methane that you can learn more about on our Earth Day video.
The methane is broken up into carbon and hydrogen.
The carbon is compressed under all that pressure in the atmosphere and it becomes diamond and it is rained out.
So if you don't have time to become the richest kid on Earth, get a big bag and go to Uranus for those diamonds. You know, if you don't freeze because of the average temperature of negative 220 degrees Fahrenheit.
So what is the definition of a gem?
The definition of a gem is a precious or semi-precious stone, especially one cut, polished, and used in a piece of jewelry.
Well, according to Alex and Sophia's dictionary,
Which is a totally real thing that we definitely did not make up.
it means a crystal that involves fun chemistry.
That is true. So let's find some examples of other gemstones we saw in the museum.
So let's talk about some cool stones. Opal is one of the most amazing gemstones. It is very colorful, like there is a disco ball inside it. It flashes every single color of the spectrum. That is just amazing. You might have seen them as pendants, earrings, and other jewelry, as they are very popular. Its chemical name is hydrous silicon dioxide, or SiO2NH2O. There are microscopic silica spheres inside the stones, which are arranged in order. When light shines on the silica, it causes diffraction, bending of light, into the colors of the spectrum, or a natural disco light.
Starlight is a silicate mineral with a generalized chemical composition of, well, I don't know how to say it, but it's on the screen. It is usually brown or black in color. It can be both transparent and opaque. Starlight is usually easy to find when it occurs as a visible grain in a metamorphic rock. Grains of starlight are usually larger than the grains of other minerals in the rock, and they often have the same crystal structure. They occur as six-sided crystals in nature. The name starlight is from the Greek word staros, which means cross. The mineral commonly occurs as twin six-sided crystals that sometimes intersect as a 60 or 90 degrees to form a cross. In some localities, these twinned crystals are collected, made into jewelry, and are sold under the name fairy crosses.
Topaz is a rare silicate mineral with a chemical composition of, well, again, I don't know how to say it, it's really long, but here we're showing it on the screen.
Okay.
The fluorine in its composition is a limiting factor on its formation. Fluorine gas in concentrations high enough to form minerals only it occurs in a few places. By the way, as a side note, fluorine is my favorite element. Most topaz is colorless or milky. Yellowish and brownish colors are also common. Natural pink, orange, red, purple, and blue topaz are rare and valuable if they are of gem quality. When allowed to grow non-stop, topaz forms rhombic crystals. Brazil is the leading source of gem quality topaz today. Most people don't realize that sapphire is a gem of the mineral corundum, which are basically gems that form on rocks. Blue is just one of the many colors found in gem corundums. Trace amounts of other elements can produce brilliant yellow, orange, green, and purple gems. Red corundums are known as rubies. Blue corundums are known as sapphires, and corundums of any other color are known as fancy sapphires. Very fancy. Corundum produces gems in a spectrum of colors. Trace amounts of iron and titanium can develop a blue color in corundum. Blue colors are known as sapphires. The name sapphire is used for corundums that range from light blue to dark blue in color. The blue can range from a violetish blue to a greenish blue. Stones in the middle of this range with a rich blue color are the most expensive. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Stay tuned for our next few videos.
Don't forget to check our website shown below.
And as always, science is everywhere
And in everything.
Bye!